How to make money teaching on Zoom in 2026. So the very first thing that you need to do is simply identify your niche, right? So in there, what are we going to do is package skills like coding, test prep, languages, or fitness into curriculum units. Then after that, use a scheduling tools like Calendly integrated with Zoom to automate booking confirmation. So after doing that, what are we going to do is start our marketing. Build and landing pages on platforms like your Linktree or Card and distribute the content on social media networks to attract clients. After doing that, lastly, deliver it, right? So in order to do that, simply conduct classes using high quality presentation decks and interactive breakdown workshop to ensure high student retention. For that, you can simply tap on Meet in order to host it. Simply turn on your video, start a meeting, and then in here tell your participants to join in just like this. What are we going to do is also make sure that our video quality is good so that your student would get a much more good experience, right? So simply tap on start. Then from here you can now start inviting your participant through a link, or you can simply share your ID. Simply tap on more. In here, tap on meeting info. You'll be able to see ID and passcode, or you can simply copy meeting link and share it to them. And just like this, you'll be able to make money teaching on Zoom in 2026.